What's happening, boys and girls? So today is a Saturday and we're gonna take the doors off and test fit the fiberglass doors, and we are going to weigh how much the doors weight, like with everything inside. So he's gonna help me out. He has a 325G, by the way, full bolt-on, full 85.
Yeah, E85, there you go.
So we're gonna take the door off right now. He's gonna help me take the door off, and let's see how much it weighs. I'm pretty sure it's really heavy. It feels heavy. I'm guessing 55 pounds or something. Let's see. All right, he's taking the door off. I'm holding my door.
Feels more
but
than
it's
55
really
pounds.
heavy though. I can feel it's really heavy, guys. What the heck, man? Okay. Is this like a Lambo doors?
There we go.
Oh wow, is this heavy?
It's pretty heavy.
What do you think?
Like 80
how much?
pounds.
Are you serious?
I think so.
No way. Let me see. Even though, guys, we're gonna remove this one as well. We're gonna have a really small, like, carbon fiber mirrors. Let's see how much it weighs. 62 pounds.
I was off.
62 pounds. Basically, with these doors, let's test fit these doors now. These doors are only 9 pounds each. So it's about 100 pounds of the car. 100 pounds less.
Need to wait. Oh, perfect.
It's so perfect, yes, yes. Those guys who sold the door for me, the company is amazing. I'm gonna include their link, their name of the Instagram, and if you guys message him, tell me you're coming from Alex the Russian. So these people are amazing. Let's test fit the doors. This door is so light. We're super impressed, but hopefully it fits perfectly. Oh, it's okay. Okay, let's connect it together.
I think I dropped. Oh no, it's right there.
Yeah, I gave it to you. Guys, this guy right here, he knows everything about his stuff. Look at that. Look at the fit. It's really good. We still have to adjust some things, but man, this is so cool. Guys, 9 pounds. The door weighs 9 pounds compared to 63 pounds. Yes, the lock might add something and a window, but it's gonna be only about 12 pounds more. So basically it's gonna be 50 pounds less on one side and 50 pounds on another side. So we're gonna drop 100 pounds, boys and girls. Нужно заднюю просто внизу подкрутить. Да.
Oh, actually no, maybe the bottom side.
Yes, we didn't do it. Guys, look, it's perfect. Wow. Okay, let's adjust the bottom side because we didn't tighten, remember? No, yeah, we didn't, yeah. Stop. Я боюсь, чтобы не сломать. I'm scared so it doesn't break. Perfect.
There we go.
Perfect. Because it's scary, да? Wow. Oh, guys, this is so good. Well, I think that's how, well, now we're removing the other door. Can't even hold it.
Alright, last one.
Oh wow, guys, we already removed the second door. I cannot believe this guy. This is what you mean when people work on cars. He works on this kind of cars actually, like E90 and E92. Wow. Guys, the company is amazing. This door fits perfectly, and there's no lock right here, so we can't lock the door yet. But look how perfect it looks. Like, for a fiberglass, this is amazing. For a fiberglass, that's super impressive. Wow, super impressive.
You should keep them white.
Yeah, we look like a police. And guys, look how clean this is gonna be. Wow, guys, I'm super impressed. Let me put the plastic windows in there. Excellent polycarbonate windows. Cut them out. Also wanted to show you guys how perfect these doors are. Look at this. You can even see a line going like this. My friend came with the V10 M5. Let's see what it does. I did heard something crazy. Let me see. Damn, bro, you go too much.
Oh shit.
Oh wow.
It just ripped.
Oh wow, I feel so bad, bro.
It's okay. That's what it's made for.
That is true.
Tire shrink.
No, on the inside. Look on the inside over there. Wow. No. Alright, that's it, no more. It's okay, все, bro, хватит. That's it. It's good, bro, it's good.
I can't control it anymore.
Yes, that's good. And we're done. This one here, this job right here, removed about 120 pounds. But with the plastic windows, it's gonna be around like 110 pounds less for this car. Not bad, I'm super impressed. Thanks so much, bro, for all the help. Thank you so much, bro. Alright, boys and girls. Press like, subscribe. Now we're gonna put a window in there and send it to my friend Jose to paint the doors and just put the car back, put all the locks and everything back, so it's gonna be all done at this side. Then we're gonna install the Lexan windows on the front, the side, here on the back, and just finish the car. Hopefully it weighs 2,550 pounds, I don't know. But anyways, peace out, guys. Subscribe and like.